How to get back archived stories on Instagram. All right, so follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Ensure you're logged into your account. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Access the menu. Tap the three horizontal lines hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Archive. From the menu, tap on Archive. This will show you all your archived content. If you don't see your stories, make sure you're viewing the Stories archive, not the Posts archive. View archived stories. Scroll through your archived stories. Tap on any story you want to restore. Restore or share. To share it again, tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen and select Share as Post or Save Photo. If you want to add it to your highlights, simply tap Highlight and choose which highlight to add it to. Keep in mind that stories are only archived if you have enabled this feature in your settings. If you can't find an archive story, it might be due to not having saved it before it expired after 24 hours. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.